Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if you cannot hear the dialogues in movies on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To resolve this, press the gear button on your remote to open the quick settings menu, then go to all settings and select display and sound. After that, go to sound settings and here you can enable the DAC for dialogue enhancer. At the very bottom, you can select the enhancement volume or level. Apply it to your own preferences. If it's still not enough or you don't like this dialogue enhancer, you can go to DTS Virtual and enable dialogue clarity here. You can also enable DTS bass enhancement, which will add additional volume to your TV. This will definitely let you hear the dialogues from any corner of your room. The surround virtualizer will also differentiate the voices of speakers around you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.